What if I told you you could get a triple laser color projector that has Dolby sound, built-in Google TV and Netflix, is great for gaming and is small enough to take with you anywhere you want? It's Romby360. Today we're diving into the JMGO N1S SE, a projector that's packed with premium features, a smart design and actual performance to match. JMGO has been around since 2011 and has earned a reputation for pushing smart projection tech further with every model. One of their latest releases, the JMGO N1S SE, is dubbed a triple laser cinema on the go. And I got to say, the name doesn't oversell it. Full transparency, JMGO sent me this unit to test, but as always, all opinions about this product are my own. Also, all product links will be in the comments and video description. The unboxing experience feels premium. With its protective packaging, clean layout, and everything you need is included. Like the JMGO N1S SE projector itself, a sleek but minimalistic remote control, a power adapter, a manual, and the included carrying case, which honestly deserves its own shout out. The case fits perfectly with the JMGO's portability. It protects the projector and makes it even easier to take with you on the go, whether you're heading to a friend's place or setting it up for an outdoor movie night. This case just makes sense. And the projector itself looks beautiful. It's finished in a matte gray that's smooth, subtle, and looks at home in any room, weighing in at just 1.8 kilograms. It's compact, sleek, and easy to move. And the setup is incredibly easy. Just plug in the power and the Auto Keystone and gimbal will work their magic. Then simply connect to Wi-Fi and sign into Google. And within minutes, you're watching Netflix or playing your favorite game on your personal home theater screen. And again, the integrated gimbal is a game changer. No fiddling with books or mounts, just adjust the angle, and the N1S SE handles the auto keystone correction, real-time focus, image positioning, and brightness level. That's thanks to its 6-axis IMU and TOF sensor integration. You can even project vertically onto your ceiling, which is awesome when you're using it in your bedroom. The gimbal has a 127 vertical adjustment range with a strap-free rotation design, and I was genuinely surprised by how fast everything calibrated when I moved the projector. I've tested the JMGO N1S SE on several surfaces, so you will hopefully get a good idea how this projector performs. Just a quick note, the performance does look even better in real life compared to on camera. For example, the reddish tint you see here is due to how triple laser lights appear on camera. In reality, it looks normal to the human eye, so take that into account. So the first way I've tested this projector was on my home theater setup. That includes a 100-inch gray screen. And for your reference, this will make brighter images a bit darker, but will also result in a better contrast. I've also tested it on a wide 120-inch portable screen that you can use both indoors and outdoors. And good to know is that the bigger the screen, the more brightness you need to get a clean image. And for your reference, not all projectors can provide a decent viewing experience above 100-inch. At least that's in my own experience. And lastly, I've tested the JMGO on a plain white wall and ceiling, as I know not everyone has a dedicated screen to use with a projector. Also good to know is that I've tested the JMGO across different lighting environments, both pitch dark and ambient daylight. And I have to say, the image looks absolutely incredible on pretty much any surface. Just check it out for a few seconds. The JMGO N1S SE uses their self-developed MALC 2.0 triple laser optics that gives you bold, rich colors and deep contrast using 3 lasers instead of just 1. Because unlike traditional LED or single laser projectors, its triple color laser light source ensures richer, more lifelike colors that make every scene stand out. The image is sharp at a 1080p resolution and 800 ISO lumens of brightness, so you will see every detail clearly and the image will be incredibly vibrant. The N1S SE also has HDR10 and 10-bit color depth. That means you get over 1 billion colors, so you will get through-the-life colors on your movies, games and TV shows. As for the color accuracy, the delta E is less than 1, so the colors are extremely close to real life. Combine that with a 110 BT 2020 color gamut, a 1600 by 1 contrast ratio and a 79% less laser speckle, you get smoother and more natural visuals. Even with the window slightly open, the image quality held up surprisingly well. Of course, almost every projector doesn't hold up in direct sunlight, but with a little bit of ambient light, the JMGO can still hold its ground, meaning it's great to use both indoors and out, at least in the evening or at night. But the great image quality is not the only thing the JMGO N1S SE offers. It also has its own built-in speakers, and I have to say, the audio impressed me. It has 2 dual 5-watt stereo speakers with Dolby audio and is DTS certified. It has a rich bass down to 55 Hz, which means you don't have to bring your own speakers, because you get crisp mids and highs, which are clean even at a high volume. Just listen to it for a bit. If you want to, you can also connect your own external speakers via cable or Bluetooth. And you even get eARC support via HDMI 2.1, meaning you can hook up your premium soundbar or home theater systems for lossless audio. So you can get a high bandwidth for both video and audio. So it also means that the JMGO N1S SE is perfect for gamers, because with that HDMI 2.1 port, you will get low latency and a 120 Hz refresh rate. I've tested it with my PS5 and Xbox and the experience was buttery smooth. You mostly notice this on fast-paced games like shooters, racing games or fighting games, but the most important thing is that you need to enable 120 Hz on the console's menu itself, use an HDMI 2.1 cable and play a supported game. And then watch the JMGO N1S SE do its magic. And really, gaming on the N1S SE is amazing. Just imagine jumping from a 65-inch screen or smaller to a 100 or even 120-inch screen. Those games all just come to life, especially open world games. And being able to play them on the JMGO's 120Hz display is just incredible. Honestly, I can't wait to hook up the Nintendo Switch 2 and dive into some Zelda or Mario Kart World on a 120-inch screen. Of course, watching movies or playing games aren't the only things that are great on a projector. If you're a sports fan, then you're definitely in for a treat with the N1S SE. But getting back at the ports, you also get a USB-A port to connect a USB device, and of course you get a DC power port to power the projector. But more importantly, the laser lifespan of this projector is a whopping 30,000 hours. So you will get years of use with zero bulb replacements. And did I mention that you almost can't hear the projector itself during usage? And it also doesn't give off much heat, unlike traditional LED projectors, which is pretty neat as well. So what makes this projector smart? Well, to start, it has Google TV built in, so you can access over 10,000 apps via the Play Store, without the need to connect your own host device. The JMGO N1S SE even has built-in Netflix, which you can easily access with its included remote. which by the way is super responsive and easy to use. It even includes a dedicated wake up button for fast access, a Netflix and Amazon Prime button, and even has voice search with Google Assistant. As for the wireless connections, you get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, and I already mentioned the digital zoom and multiple mount modes, including the ceiling. And I just love how good all the auto adjustments work, because you don't have to fiddle with settings or wheels like on a regular projector to get a clear and sharp image. For example, it also has adaptive brightness to match your environment, and eye protection dims the light when it senses someone in front of the projector, which is a thoughtful feature that's especially great for kids. As for real-life use cases, this thing fits into everyday life beautifully, as gaming on that massive screen with great color accuracy, high contrast and refresh rate is truly next level. Also, movie nights are solid, indoors and outdoors. Want to chill in bed? Just flip it up and project onto your ceiling. Taking it to a friend's place, it's portable, protected and fully self-contained. No need to bring speakers, a streaming stick or even a stand. And yes, it looks great on white walls thanks to the intelligent surface detection and auto adjustment. So here's my final verdict. The JMGO N1S SE has gorgeous triple laser visuals, auto keystone, real-time focus and instant image correction. It also has built-in Google TV, Netflix and Dolby Audio, quiet operation, cool performance and a beautiful design. It also has that integrated gimbal that makes positioning easy without any extra gear. And a 30,000 hour light source, meaning no bulb changes for years. So if you're thinking of picking up a JMGO N1S SE and get your own portable home cinema with all these features that's also great for gaming, you can get one for the price of 799 euros. And I have to say, for the price, this projector punches way above its weight. So yes, in my opinion, it's definitely worth its price. But if you want something more or less, JMGO also offers a 4K model and other projector options depending on your needs. Just check out the links in the comments and video description, and if this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more tech reviews and click right here to watch the next video. See you there!